In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the quality of your images in Photoshop. So the first thing we're going to do is click on image in the top navigation and select image size. Now make sure you have this option here checked next to resample, and we're going to click on the drop down arrow and select preserve details enlargement. Now what you can do is increase the resolution to your specified number. So I'm just going to try doing 130, and we can also increase both the width and the height values. So I'm going to set mine to 2400. Now what we can do is adjust this reduce noise number until you find something that looks good. Now I like to keep mine at around about 20% and then go and press OK. Now your image should already be looking better, but the last thing we're going to do is click on filter in the top navigation, click on sharpen and select unsharp mask. Now what you can do is play around with these sliders to find something that looks good for your image. Now I like to set mine to 100% for the amount, the radius set to 2 pixels and the threshold set to 1. Then go and press OK, and what that should do is reduce the blurriness and increase the sharpness of your image. And just like that, we have now improved the image quality. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.